Have you noticed that standing up feels harder than it used to? Your balance isn't as steady, or simple movements require more effort. Most people think this is just aging, but the surprising truth is this: your strength, balance, and confidence aren't disappearing. They're only sleeping. And with the right 10-minute routine, done right in your living room, you can wake them back up at any age. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises backed by research that rebuild the exact muscles responsible for keeping you independent, stable, and pain-free. These movements require no equipment, no gym, and no prior experience, just your body, a little space, and the willingness to take the first step toward a stronger, more confident you. So if you're ready to move better, feel younger, and regain the energy you thought you lost years ago, stay with me till the end, because every second of this video is designed to help you transform your daily life. And before we begin, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video that helps you stay strong, mobile, and independent. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Sit to stand, the foundation of independence. Think about this for a moment. How many times do you get up in a single day? From your bed, from the toilet, from the dining chair, from the car. Every one of these moments depends on one skill: the ability to stand up using strength, not momentum. But after 60, something changes. We start to feel heavy when standing up. We lean forward too much. We use our hands. Sometimes we rock to gain momentum. This is not aging. This is muscle loss, and it is completely reversible. The sit-to-stand exercise is the #1 movement to restore lower body strength. It activates your quadriceps, glutes, core, and stabilizer muscles, the very muscles that protect your knees, hips, and lower back. How to do it correctly: sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat, hip width apart, slide slightly toward the front edge, lean forward slightly, keeping your back straight. Exhale as you press through your heels and stand up. At the top, squeeze your glutes for 1 second. Inhale as you slowly lower yourself back down. Under control. The downward phase is where most of the strengthening happens. Don't drop, don't rush. Control is everything. Modifications: if it's difficult, add a cushion to raise the height, or use your hands lightly. If it's easy, cross your arms over your chest to challenge your legs more. Why this exercise matters: people with stronger sit-to-stand ability are shown to walk faster, reduce their fall risk, experience less knee pain, stay independent longer, move with confidence. This one exercise alone can change how you feel every day. Exercise 2. Wall push-ups. Your upper body power source. As we age, the upper body weakens faster than the lower body, especially the chest, shoulders, and arms. This leads to shoulder pain, difficulty lifting objects, poor posture, stiffness in the upper back, reduced ability to push, pull, or reach overhead. But the good news: you don't need to get on the floor or lift heavy weights to fix this. The wall push-up is the safest and most effective beginner-friendly push exercise. It strengthens your chest, shoulders, arms, wrists, and core, all without strain. How to do it: stand facing a wall, arms length away. Place your hands on the wall slightly wider than shoulder width. Step your feet back 6 to 12 inches depending on your comfort level. Inhale as you bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Exhale as you push the wall away and return to standing. Keep your body straight, no sagging, no arching. What you'll feel: you should feel the work in your chest, shoulders, triceps, core. Modifications: it feels too easy, step back farther. If it feels too hard, step closer. For advanced progression, use a kitchen counter instead of a wall. Why this exercise matters: will push-ups help straighten rounded shoulders, improve posture, reduce neck and shoulder pain, strengthen the muscles needed for daily tasks, enhance balance by engaging your core. This is the perfect exercise for anyone over 60 who wants to maintain upper body strength safely and effectively. Exercise 3. Standing march with arm swings. Your daily energies a reef There is one exercise I recommend doing every single day. This is it. The standing march isn't just a movement, it is a full body. Tune up. It trains cardiovascular, endurance, balanki ondi immobility core stability, shoulder, strength, brain body connection, and it's gentle enough for nearly everyone. How to do it. Properly stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Engage your core. Lift your right knee toward your chest. Swing your left arm forward at the same time. Lower your foot width. Control. Repeat on the other side. Move slowly at first, then find a comfortable rhythm. Breathe naturally. Focus on lifting the knees, not shuffling. Modifications. If balance is difficult, hold a chair lightly. If coordination is challenging, march without arm swings. If you want more intensity, lift knees higher or hold light hand weights. Why this exercise matters. Marching in place can improve heart health, boost circulation, strengthen hip flexors, reduce fall risk, improve joint lubrication, increase energy almost instantly, activate both sides of your brain. This one exercise can easily become your morning body wake-up routine. Putting it all together. Daily routine. Here's a simple plan. 3 to 4 times per week. Sit to stand, 8 to 12 reps times 3. Sets. Will push-ups, 8 to 12 reps 3. Set. Standing march, 1 to 2 minutes times 3 rounds. In the other days, do just the standing march for 3 to 5 minutes. This combination gives you strength, stamina, balance, mobility, independence, confidence. You'll start noticing improvements within 3 to 4 weeks, and significant changes within 8 weeks. You deserve to move without fear. You deserve to feel strong again. You deserve a body that supports you, not limits you. Age does not take your strength away. Inactivity does. And today, you took the first step toward changing that. Remember, the goal, in perfection, it's consistency. Every repetition is an investment in your future. Every minute you move is a step toward a healthier, more independent life. So keep showing up. Keep moving. Keep believing in yourself. Your strongest years can still be ahead of you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Comment ready if you're committed to starting this routine today. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos that help you stay strong, balanced, and confident at any age. Thank you for being here. Wishing you strength, health, and energy, today and every day. See you in the next video.